How to unlink Rockstar account from Steam. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can unlink Rockstar game from Steam. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, these are the processes you may follow up and you should be able to unlink your Rockstar account from your Steam as well. So let's just get started with the video. So for that, you need to open up Rockstar Games. You can go to rockstar.com and simply log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be seeing this interface on your screen. You can just go ahead and tap on your account at the top right corner and look for the settings in your account. Go ahead and open up your settings from your Rockstar Games. Once you've opened it up, you will be seeing this interface on your screen. So what you can do is look for the option called linked accounts. And once you're here on the links account, you will be finding Steam if you have linked your Steam right here. So if you've already linked your Steam here, you will be finding an unlink option right below the Steam, and you should be able to click on it and unlink it. But even after that, you are not able to find the Steam right here when you reach over to the settings. What you can do is head over to your profile at the top right and go to help. Open up support, and once you open it up, go to account support here. This one right here, and go ahead and open it. Once you're here, you will be finding the support, so look out for the second option that says Rockstar Games account and open it up. And under here, look out for account linking and open up account linking, and you will be finding a form here. So what you can do is just fill out the form right here. You need to provide your ID of your Steam application and also a description, and also upload a picture available for that, your problems picture. After that, you can go ahead and submit it, and within 24 hours, they'll respond to you and help you unlink your Rockstar account from your Steam. So for now, you can follow up that method in order to unlink it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.